My name is Nimrod. I was born on October 3rd, 2001 in Haifa, Israel.
Hello, my name is Layan. I was born on 7th of January 2003 in Haifa, Israel.
Everybody wakes up in the morning, brush their teeth, go to work, come back home,
watch TV, go to sleep, and start over the next day. But what if we told you that tomorrow would be your last day?
Would you do the same? I guess not. I've always been an active kid, always busy at doing something. From running at the basketball court, trying to score a basket that is way too tall for a 10-year-old to score on, to talking with my friends for hours about why my toy is a much better toy than the toy they have. But I was never as active as when I was with my grandfather. On December 3rd, 2011, my grandfather, the person who always pushed me to make the best use of my time, passed away.
At 4:35 p.m., 19th of May 2015, my mom told me to go buy something from the market in front of my house. In the way back to home, I waited until I thought that it saved time to cross the street. I started crossing. While I was crossing, a car came out of nowhere and hit me. From that moment, my life changed.
On that moment, I truly realized that time is limited, that you won't be able to talk with a person forever, and that there's no better time for doing things than now. I understood my grandfather was right. You need to make the most out of your time, because one day you won't have time to spare.
So when I opened my eyes, I was in the middle of the street full of blood. And I didn't believe that I'm still alive because that moment could have been my last day and not being able to open my eyes again. From that moment, I realized that you don't know what will happen in the next minute, and life is so fast, and you can't control everything in it. So you live once, and you have to take this chance to do anything that you love or new experience. And remember, little things matter.
So I did. I decided to do things that I've never done before. The first time I heard about Friends Forever was from my teacher Nama. She told me about the places she had been in, the things she had done, and the people she met. I understood that that's exactly what my grandfather talked about. Using my time to do things I care about, see new things, and meet people that I wouldn't met otherwise.
For me, I decided to live every day like my last day, so I can experience more things, and my newest experience is Friends Forever program. That makes me experience how to live with Jewish teenagers in the same house, and share stories in front of people, and for sure, how to improve my leadership skills. Now, as an Arab, I would say a quote in Hebrew.
Me as a Jewish, I'm going to say a quote in Arabic, and then we're going to say the quote together in English. Il-Chaya, Ama Muramara, Jariya, Au Lashaya.
החיים הם הרפתקה נועזת או שום דבר.
Life is either daring adventure or nothing. Thank you.